In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear shock absorber mount on your Chevy Cruze. It's located behind your rear wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our hubcap. Remove the hubcap. We're going to use a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts, to remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. Make sure that you're supporting your back end with a pull jack of some sort. And we're going to use an 18mm socket to remove this bottom bolt. Now we're using a 13mm long socket. We're going to take out these two bolts. Now we're going to remove our shock absorber. You can lower this down a little bit if needed. After you lower your pull jack down, or whatever you're using, you're going to use a pry bar and you're going to compress this and pull it out. I'm going to use a 15mm socket to remove the nut off this shock absorber to get the mount off. I'm holding the shock still with my vise right here on the piston. Now you can remove it. Put the mount on. Nut. We're going to tighten this down and then torque it to 18 foot-pounds. And we're going to snug it up. Make sure that this piston doesn't spin while you snug it up. Now we're going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Take it out of our vise and install it. We're going to install. Make sure you're on the proper side of the brake hose. And place it in that bracket. You're going to press down on the shock. Once you get it past, you're going to let it go up. Make sure it's going the right way. You can tell by the mark on the car which way it goes. Line it up. You can also tell by the way it's shaped that these are in the back. And now let's get our bolts started. We're going to snug these up and then torque them to 16 foot-pounds. Go a little bit on each side and walk it up. And now we're going to install the bottom. Line up your shock with this hole, and now you're going to jack up the rear end a little bit. You're going to get a punch, and you're going to move that over if you need to. Once you get that moved over, you're going to put your bolt in. Thread it in there by hand first. Now we're going to snug it up and torque it. We're going to torque this to 74 foot-pounds. We're going to lower our pull jack now. We don't need it anymore. And take it away. Install the wheel. Start your lug nuts by hand. I'm going to start with this one in the bottom and walk the wheel in. Now I'm going to do it in a crisscross manner. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern. Now we're going to put our hubcap on, line it up with your valve stem and your lug nuts. Once they're all snug, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.